The Group C melodic minor scales all have some interesting fingerings that typically for certain hands differ on the way up versus the way down. So let's start with G sharp minor. The right hand fingering actually is the same as its parallel major, and it also is the same on the way up as the way down. So let's see what it does. Starts with G sharp on 2. Black key to white key transition here, bring the thumb under. Black key to white key transition, thumb. La and T on the way up, like that. Continue with fourth finger. Transition. Way down is the same fingerings except with te, lay. Third finger comes over. Fourth finger, te, lay, third. We can just finish it off with 3 to 2. So that one's not so strange. It's the left hand that does some unusual things. Starting on third finger. 3, 2, 1 gets us to the white key, transition to the black key. Use up our fingers on La and T on the way up, then bring third finger over for the second octave, fourth. Way down is different, so we start with te, black key. Now we bring the thumb under for the white key. This is not what we did on the way up, a different fingering, but it has its own logic. Thumb, thumb for the white key, thumb. So G sharp minor left hand does have a different fingering on the way up versus the way down, but both are pretty logical and make sense. The next one, the right hand fingering, it does something that we haven't seen before in any of our scale fingerings. Starts off with C sharp on second finger. Third finger, bring the thumb under for the white key, E natural. Work our way up the notes. All right. La, T, and Do. In the first octave, we're just going to play with second finger, continuing on with the same pattern, thumb. Now, at this point, we would expect to go to second finger. This is what we've done every other time, and we would do if we were going to continue up even higher. But when we are going to stop and come back down, we need to skip the second finger. Totally just don't sound it at all. Don't use it at all. Do third finger, because that allows us, for the two white keys that are coming up next on lay and te, the lowered 6th and 7th notes, we need to be on A here with thumb so that we can make the transition to G sharp. So let me show you what that looks like again. This is coming up to the second octave at the top and coming down. La, T, skip second finger, go to third. Here we're going to do fourth finger for the continuing downwards octave. Let me show you that top part one more time. All right, so that is very unusual. Thumb to 3 instead of thumb to 2, which we would normally do. All right. Left hand is not very unusual at all. It's pretty normal, not a lot to say. 3, 2, 1, shift. White key to black key. Okay, just do the regular thing on top. Bring the thumb down now on te, lay. Transition, transition, transition. Pretty standard on the C sharp minor, left hand. F sharp minor, right hand, does exactly the same kind of thing that C sharp minor's right hand did as well. So, starting on 2, black, black, switch to the white key, work your way up, black key to white key, black to white, and here, again, not 2, but 3, which sets us up for the 2 white keys, arrival here, to be prepared for the white key to black key transition, and down. Show you the top part of that. So this is coming up for the final octave. Skip 2, go to 3, bring it down. All right. Left hand, excuse me, pretty much standard. Starts on 4, white key to black key, third finger, fourth finger, third, choose 2 up at the top, lower te, lay, black to white, black to white. So those are the group Cs. All of them have some strange things about them, different fingerings on the way up versus the way down, but it's really the right hand C sharp minor and F sharp minor that you really have to think about on that strange top moment where we go thumb to third finger instead of thumb to second finger.